Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will show you how can you use how old do I look filter on Instagram. So for this you need to open your Instagram application and you need to search for a particular user. You can see this user. I have also added the username in my video description. Then you need to click on this face icon you can see here, and on the first you can see this filter, how old do I look. So you need to click on this one. So if you want to save this filter, you can click on this download icon. This filter will be added to your filter list, and if you want to try it, just click on try. Switch to front camera and you just need to so it was 43. So in this way you can use this filter and you can post this video in your Instagram stories, as well as you can also post it on TikTok if you want. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.